See, the problem with budgeting is all of the financial gurus out there, all of the blogs just give you general advice, get you all pumped up to go budget, and then you get going and you have no idea where to start. Let's talk about the big ticket items that can financially ruin you if you don't know how much to spend and how much to budget on them. For example, do you know how much to spend on a home? I'm not talking about just the mortgage and the insurance. I'm talking about the entire cost of the home. What about a car? Do you know there's exact ways to finance a car specifically so that you stay ahead of the depreciation curve? Have you ever been upside down on a car loan? The dealers love that, so I'm going to show you exactly how to finance a car if you choose to, and exactly how much of your budget should you spend on the car and car insurance if you finance it. Emergency funds, retirement savings, this is a class about specifics. We are not going to motivate you. I am not going to inspire you. I'm going to educate you on exactly what you need to do with your budget, with these big ticket items and the big portions of your budget, so that you and your family never stress about budgeting your money again. Now, if you're a client of ours, then these classes never cost you anything. If you're still thinking about switching to Jazz, the big ticket budgeting class will only be $65, with all of the proceeds going to support Drum Corps International, something I'm very, very passionate about. If you sign up before June 8th, then we're giving you lifetime access to Nest Egg, our personal financial portal where you can get your dough straight. Everything in your financial life, including your budget, can be seen on this portal, and best of all, we do not sell your information like Mint or some of the other apps. It is 100% yours, customizable to you. Again, if you want to be motivated, you want to be inspired, then this is not the class for you. If you want details and specifics about what to do the second you finish with this class, well then I hope to see you there.